The base rails are connected to form the north-south columns of the system array. Each rail features a printed measurement guide to simplify the installation of each rail connection. Similar to using a ruler, the printed guide helps locate the value that corresponds to the module width. If the module width is not in a 1/4 inch increment, round down to the nearest 1/4 inch marking. For example, if the module width is 44.64 inches, the rail overlap should align with a 44.5 inch marking. For every south to mid-rail connection, a stiffener rail is placed to strengthen the connection point between the two rails. This adds to the uplift resistance in the event of strong wind events from the south. Systems with 10-inch or 13-inch row spacing use the same mid-rail component. It is important to make sure the measurement guide label used for rail overlap and the south clamp installation matches the row spacing called out on the construction drawing.